Breaking news coming in. NIA raids are currently underway in 6 districts of Jammu and Kashmir in connection with a terror funding case. Now, the Jamaat-e-Islami cadre is under the radar of the NIA. That's the latest news that we're getting to you right now. The NIA raids underway in Jammu and Kashmir. Raids are underway in 3 districts of Jammu and Kashmir with regards to the terror funding case. Joining me on the broadcast is my colleague Gursimran on the phone line now. Gursimran, JI is on the radar of the NIA. Tell us the scope of the NIA raids right now.
See, National Investigation Agency is carrying out raids in multiple districts of Jammu and Kashmir, both in Jammu region as well as in Kashmir region. In Jammu, the raids are being conducted in Jammu's Nagrota area and in Kishtwar's 2 locations, while in Kulgam, Bandipora, even in parts of Budgam and Gaderbal, the raids are being carried out by National Investigation Agency. See, this case pertains to the activities of Jamaat-e-Islami. Even after it was banned by the Union government, it was working to collect the funds for the terror activities in the Kashmir Valley, and terror outfits like Hizbul Mujahideen and Lashkar-e-Toiba. They were organizing these cadres of Jamaat-e-Islami across the Union territory of Jammu and Kashmir, even after the ban by the Union government. So these cadres were working to radicalize youth of Jammu and Kashmir to carry out the secessionist activities in J&K. So this was something that was on the radar of the Union government since long, but even after the ban, the Jamaat-e-Islami was carrying out their activities, the activities for the balkanization of India, which they have their agenda of the United Jihad Council, and they were trying to propagate that agenda. And based on the specific inputs now, the National Investigation Agency is carrying out raids.
Stay with us on the broadcast, Gursimran. I'm also joined by my colleague Zeenat. Zeenat, the NIA raids continuing against terror activities in the valley. What more can you tell us?
See, we need to see that of the raids that are being carried by NIA today are those who have some affiliation with Jamaat-e-Islami. Jamaat-e-Islami, banned by Government of India, considering it as a threat to the nation. And many of the leaders of the Jamaat-e-Islami have been shifted to different jails in the country. But now it is the raccoon of the Jamaat-e-Islami, the low-level leaders who have been carrying the cadre of Jamaat-e-Islami for the last 30, 40 years or more. Today their homes are being raided. Although many of the Jamaat leaders were not present at their places when the raids were held. But as of now, we can see that some 6 districts in the Kashmir Valley, coming from the South Kashmir to North Kashmir and to the Central Kashmir, many of their places are being raided by the NIA. Then we are also looking at into how the NIA is working, because first they tried to raid those leaders who have an affiliation with separatist politics, but at the same time, Jamaat-e-Islami and also the separatists, they have their own links. They are somehow affiliated. They have been running the terror factories in Jammu and Kashmir. So keeping everything in view, we are seeing that Jamaat-e-Islami, the leaders, the low-rung leaders being raided, their homes are being searched, and also they are being questioned at present.
Absolutely. NIA raids right now underway in Jammu and Kashmir, and a crackdown